Welcome to Viet Health Kitchen. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover three powerful ingredients that, when combined, deliver surprisingly effective results for your health. You don't believe it. Let's find out together. There's a kind of heat that doesn't just sit on your skin. It settles deeper. It creeps into your joints. It clogs your thinking. It dries your mouth no matter how much water you drink. And for many of us over 60, this isn't just a matter of comfort, it's a matter of survival. You step outside just for a few minutes, and suddenly the sunlight feels heavier than it used to. Your heart races, your breath shortens. Your body says, "This is too much." But your life doesn't slow down just because it's 95 degrees. When I was younger, I could spend the whole day outside in the garden sun on my neck, sweat on my brow, and still feel fine. But now I get tired faster. I overheat more easily. And I've learned the hard way what it feels like to be on the edge of a heat stroke. Not from some dramatic desert story, but from mowing the lawn one afternoon in July. So today, I want to share a remedy not from a pill bottle, not from the latest trend, but from tradition. A quiet, cooling trio that's been used in folk medicine for generations. Mint, borage, and lemon. Let me walk you through how these humble plants can change how your body deals with the heat, and maybe even help you enjoy the summer again. Mint isn't just a flavor, it's an experience. That burst of freshness on your tongue that isn't imagination. It's menthol, a natural compound in mint leaves that activates the cold-sensitive receptors in your body. It doesn't literally lower your temperature, but it makes your brain feel like it has. And for someone overheating or on the edge of heat exhaustion, that signal can be life-saving. But the real beauty of mint lies beyond just cooling. Mint has been used in traditional medicine from Greek to Persian to Vietnamese households for centuries to support digestion, which slows down in the heat, reduce inflammation, especially in irritated skin or tissues, calm the nervous system. In Ayurvedic medicine, mint is a pitta pacifier, meaning it reduces internal fire. That's more than poetry. In modern studies, mint essential oils have shown to reduce body temperature, ease headaches, and even improve cognitive clarity during heat stress. For older adults, this matters. When your internal cooling system doesn't regulate like it used to, when your circulation slows down and dehydration hits harder, mint steps in to assist. It helps your body find balance, especially during the intense midday sun. And you don't need much. A few fresh leaves steeped in water, a sprig in your drink, or a whole bunch blended into a summer tonic with our other two heroes, Borage and lemon. You may not have heard of Borage, but your grandmother's garden might have known it well. Sometimes called starflower borage is a flowering herb that's been used for centuries in Mediterranean folk remedies. But don't let its gentle blue petals fool you. This plant is a powerhouse. The leaves and flowers of borage are known for their cooling, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating effects. In old European herbalism, borage tea was used to calm fevers, reduce internal heat, especially from overexertion, restore electrolytes and fluids, encourage perspiration in a controlled way to balance body temperature. In modern terms, borage is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid that reduces systemic inflammation, especially helpful when your body is in heat panic mode. For seniors, the importance of this cannot be overstated. When your kidneys struggle with fluid balance, when your skin becomes less efficient at releasing sweat, when your heart is working overtime just to regulate blood pressure in the heat, Borage offers a botanical support system. It cools from within, and unlike synthetic cooling agents, it nourishes while it soothes. It doesn't just make you feel better, it makes your body stronger, better equipped to face the next hot day. Now let's talk about the simple lemon. Bright, tart, easy to find. But behind its flavor is a powerhouse of healing, especially for those battling summer heat. Lemon contains high levels of vitamin C, which not only boosts immunity, but also protects your cells from heat-induced oxidative stress. That means less damage when your body is working hard to stay cool. But even more importantly, lemon helps restore lost electrolytes. When you sweat, and I mean truly sweat during a summer walk or yard work, you lose more than water. You lose potassium, magnesium, sodium, calcium. Lemon helps replenish these minerals when mixed with water and a touch of natural salt or honey. It's nature's electrolyte drink. No artificial colors, no corn syrup, just balance. Lemon also stimulates bile production, which helps digestion, especially when your system is sluggish from heat. And for older adults who often deal with constipation, indigestion, acid reflux, which worsens in hot weather, lemon can be a gentle ally. So when paired with mint and borage, you're not just cooling the body, you're supporting every system involved in heat regulation, nervous, digestive, circulatory, and lymphatic. That's powerful synergy. Here's my favorite way to make this summer cooling blend. Mint plus borage plus lemon infusion. Daily drink ingredients. 1 handful fresh mint leaves or 1 teaspoon dried. 1 tablespoon dried borage leaves or flowers or fresh if you grow them. Juice of half a lemon. Optional. A pinch of Himalayan salt plus 1 teaspoon honey. 2 cups hot water. 1 cup cold water. Ice optional. Steps. Boil 2 cups of water. Add mint and borage. Let steep for 10-15 minutes. Strain into a pitcher. Add lemon juice, salt, and honey. Stir well. Add 1 cup cold water and refrigerate. Serve over ice if needed. When to use: morning to start your day cool, especially before going outside. Midday around noon to prevent overheating. After exertion, post-gardening, walking, or chores. You can drink 1-3 cups a day. It's safe, soothing, and gently energizing. Let me tell you about Marlene. She's 68, lives in Tucson, Arizona, and for years she dreaded summer. She'd get dizzy spells just walking to the mailbox. Her blood pressure would swing up and down. Her doctor kept telling her to drink more water, but plain water never seemed to help. Then last summer she tried the mint borage lemon blend I just shared. Within a week, her energy stabilized. Her afternoon headaches disappeared. And for the first time in years, she sat outside with her grandkids without feeling drained. But she made a mistake early on. She used mint essential oil directly in her tea. Don't do that. Essential oils are concentrated and can irritate your stomach. Use whole leaves or dried herbs only. Another mistake: skipping electrolytes. If you only drink water without adding lemon or salt, you might dilute your sodium too much and feel weaker. The key is balance: cooling, hydrating, and replenishing together. Summer isn't the enemy. The sun isn't the villain. But for our bodies, especially after 60, the heat hits differently. It's not just about staying cool, it's about staying balanced. And nature, in her quiet wisdom, has already provided the tools: the mint that refreshes, the borage that calms, the lemon that renews. You don't need a fancy supplement. You don't need a detox plan. You just need a glass, a few herbs, and the willingness to care for yourself gently daily. Try this drink for 3 days. Notice how your body responds. Notice the clarity in your thoughts, the softness in your breath, the ease in your skin. And if you feel that shift, even a small one, come back and tell me. Leave a comment below. Let's build a quiet revolution of elder wellness, one daily ritual at a time. Until then, stay cool, stay wise, stay well.